When everyone recognizes beauty as beautiful, there is already ugliness. When everyone recognizes goodness as good, there is already evil. Being and non-being create each other. Difficult and easy complement each other. Long and short define each other. High and low oppose each other. Fore and aft follow each other. Therefore the sage goes about, doing nothing, teaching no talking. The 10,000 things rise and fall without cease, creating, yet not possessing, working, yet not taking credit. Work is done, then forgotten. Therefore it lasts forever. In this chapter, Lao Tzu lays out the principles of relativity and paradox. He argues that beauty and ugliness, good and evil, and all other opposites are actually interdependent and define each other. Chapter 2: The World of Relativity and Quantum Entanglement. He urges us to break free from dualistic thinking and recognize the interconnectedness of all things. Lao Tzu says, when everyone recognizes beauty as beautiful, there is already ugliness. When everyone recognizes goodness as good, there is already evil. What does he mean by this? Here, Lao Tzu emphasizes that everything is relative and defined by its opposite. Beauty only has meaning when contrasted with ugliness, just as goodness can only exist alongside evil. This idea is remarkably similar to Einstein's theory of relativity, which showed that even space and time are not absolute, but can vary depending on the observer's frame of reference. Lao Tzu goes on to say, being and non-being create each other. Difficult and easy complement each other. Long and short define each other. High and low oppose each other. This suggests that all things in our world are interconnected and influence each other. This idea is strikingly similar to the phenomenon of quantum entanglement. In physics, quantum entanglement occurs when two or more particles become so deeply linked that they behave as one system, even if they are separated by vast distances. It's as if the entire universe is one vast, interconnected web. Consider the researchers working on developing quantum computers. They are trying to harness the power of entangled qubits to perform calculations that are impossible for classical computers. Each qubit can exist in a state of both 0 and 1 simultaneously, but when entangled with other qubits, their states become interdependent. It's like the co-raising of being and non-being and the harmony of opposites that Lao Tzu describes. So how should we navigate this interconnected world? Lao Tzu advises, therefore the sage goes about doing nothing, teaching no talking. This means living in harmony with the natural flow of things, without forcing or interfering. If we can remember that everything is interconnected, our lives will become more harmonious and peaceful. When we realize that self and other, human and nature are all fundamentally one, we can experience true freedom and joy. Chapter 2 asks us, do you truly understand that everything in this world is interconnected? How do you put this realization into practice in your daily life? As quantum physics has revealed, we are all part of this vast cosmic dance. Realizing that you and I and everything around us are essentially one, that is the core message of the Tao Te Ching.